This is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing awesome. For those of you who do not know, I was a part of a reality show which is currently airing on MTV. It is called Myntra Fashion Superstar. It is a hunt to find the biggest influencer. I was selected to be a part of the show. I was one of the top 18 contestants. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my journey. This video is divided into 3 parts where I'm going to start by telling you if I was approached by them or I approached them and how you can do that. The second thing is my interview process, which is the toughest because there were a lot of rounds and I want to discuss about it in detail. And the third part is going to be about what happened when I was in Mumbai. So make sure you stick around. So how this happened, basically this you can get in the show by just auditioning because they're open to auditions, and jinki bhi video they like, they go ahead and contact them. But for me the case was different. I was approached by the team itself, the MTV team itself, where I got a call. I was just chilling, like they were like, hi, we're calling from Myntra, we're calling from Myntra's Fashion Superstar. I was like, what? Because I knew about this show. I knew that this is happening and I was following this show since the first season. This is the second season where I'm in, and I got a call and I was like, yes, for sure, I would really like to be a part of this show. And they were like, you'll have to come to Mumbai if you get selected. I was like, okay, let me just even give a try and I'll see. And they gave me another call after a few days asking that like, are you free this time because you want to host your first interview. So the first round of interview was with Myntra, where it was the Myntra team, and they were, I clearly remember the visual. There were 3 girls on the video call and I was the 4th person, and they all had cameras off, and I was just it was just like talking to a laptop, to a screen. Wish me luck. I'm really nervous. I'm still nervous. Like it got over 5 minutes back and I'm still in the zone. I'm still so nervous. Oh my god. If it happens, it's gonna be my best birthday ever. So they were asking me questions and they said that you don't have to worry, please don't be nervous, relax. You just have to tell us about yourself, just about yourself. And you all know that when I start talking, I keep on talking. So I was just telling them about myself, everything about myself, my family, my friends, what I do, what I've studied, all of it. And they were really happy and they were asking me questions, like what are your struggles and what have you done and what your best memory, your worst memory, your embarrassing moment, all of that. आप सबके प्यार और support की वजह से I got in. I cleared the first round of interview, and the second round of interview was with MTV team. Now guys, that interview, I'm not even kidding, it was tough. Okay, I was pretty confident कि कर लूँगी मैं, क्रैक हो जाएगा, अपने बारे में बताना है, जो मैं बिलीव करती हूँ वही बताना है. अच्छा गाइस, आपने रोडीज देखा है, आई एम श्योर आप लोगों ने रोडीज देखा है. और रोडीज का ऑडिशन में कैसे वो लोग रोस्ट करते हैं ना कंटेस्टेंट्स को, टू टेस्ट देयर पेशेंस, टू चेक देम. मेरे साथ वही हो रहा था. तो MTV टीम के जो लोग थे वो मेरे से बात कर रहे थे, क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे थे, मैं उन्हें जवाब दे रही थी. मैं उसका भी स्टोरी मैंने बनाई थी, मैं आपको क्लिप यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी, आपको याद आ जाएगा कि so I was dressed for that interview and I was wearing a lot of jewelry and stuff, full makeup, पूरा impression के लिए. I'm really quoting this instance. वो मुझे कहते कि तुम्हें बोलने का बहुत शौक है ना. मैंने कहा हाँ, मुझे बोलने का बहुत शौक है और मैं बोल सकती हूँ नॉन स्टॉप. ऐसी कोई बात हो रही थी. So they said, chalo, we'll give you a challenge. You have to talk about a topic for like 60 seconds and you don't have to stop. And we will tell you to stop and then you have to stop. I was like, ठीक है, क्या ही टॉपिक होगा, कुछ मेरे बारे में होगा, कुछ चीज़ होगी रिलेटेड जिसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन मुझे होगी. पहले मुझे लगा कहीं उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे टॉपिक दे दिया जिसके बारे में मुझे नॉलेज नहीं है तो खराब हो जाएगा. They said you have to talk about cow for like 60 seconds. अब काओ के बारे में मैं 60 सेकेंड्स के लिए क्या बात करूँ, तो मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो गई थी. बट ठीक है. एंड उन्होंने मुझे टाइम नहीं दिया. उन्होंने कहा यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट काओ एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ, लाइक दिस. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओके, काओ इज दिस, काओ इज दैट, काओ इज ये सब मैंने बोला फॉर अबाउट 60 seconds. And I did it. I cleared the second interview. I just got the call and the person was like, Rose, you have to fly to Mumbai tomorrow. And I was like, I am going for a reality show. I'm going to be on TV. I can't just pack in one day for 30 days. Guys, उस time पे COVID situation was at peak. And especially in Mumbai. Delhi में उस time पे कम था, Mumbai में उस time पे ज़्यादा था. And that was the time when I was asked to fly. The travel and the stay and the food and everything was sponsored. Of course, I mean, I didn't have to spend anything. I booked my tickets. I packed in one single day. Guys, imagine I have to come on TV. Or my outfits, my makeup, my necessities. And they asked me, they gave me a bunch of like items. They they gave me a full list of things that I have to carry, like for costumes, which was, then I had a meeting with the makeup team की stylist की पूरी team के साथ meeting थी, because वो मुझे बता रहे थे कि आपको ये कपड़े रखने हैं, just you know for a safer side. Of course उन्होंने, we had the liberty to choose our outfits, ऐसा नहीं था कि उन्होंने कहा कि आपको ये पहनना है. Then I packed and I flew. Then after that, quarantine. COVID situation, I was in a hotel for about 15 to 20 days. Living alone in a room for 20 days, guys, it is tough. I was FaceTiming every day to my family. Of course, I couldn't talk to you guys because I wasn't allowed to. Otherwise, I would, you know, every day come live and share with you my experience, what I'm doing. But sadly I couldn't, but still I managed to make a lot of stories. वहाँ पे भी, set पे भी I made a lot of stories. We were not allowed to, but I made, because I was like, मैं बाद में कैसे दिखाऊंगी आप लोगों को कि मैं यहाँ गई हूँ, वहाँ गई हूँ. So I was making videos whatever I could, and I have everything posted on my Instagram now. There is a highlight as well on my stories which says MTV/MFS, where you'll get all the BTS's in my journey and everything I've shared which I had. Make sure you check that out. Now moving ahead, उस होटल में ही मेरे सारे contestants जो मेरे competitors थे वो वहीं रह रहे थे उसी होटल में. So we did not know our competitors, our judges, task क्या होने वाला है, कब होने वाला है shoot, क्या पहनना है, कुछ नहीं पता था हमें. It's a notion that a reality show is scripted, but in this case हमें कुछ नहीं पता था, सब कुछ on the spot पता चलता था, like it was shown on TV, right? मतलब literally इस रूम में दूसरा contestant था, इस रूम में दूसरी contestant थी, और मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये लोग कौन है, या मैं जानती नहीं थी क्योंकि हम रूम से बाहर ही नहीं थे. We also had a COVID test done in between, and luckily we all were negative. फिर अगले दिन मेरा shoot था, first day of set. I was so excited. We woke up at 5 o'clock because our call time on set was 6:30, and I woke up, got ready. सब लोग तैयार होके अपनी बस में बैठ चुके थे, और I was a little late and they were like, we are gonna leave now, are you coming or not? And like, I'm coming. And I saw the vanity van of Sushmita Sen, and I was like, dude, I know who the judge is, because उसकी van पे वो नाम लिखा हुआ था सुष्मिता सेन का, और मनीष मल्होत्रा का, और मलिका दुआ. हम लोग गए फटाफट अंदर, हमारा मेकअप शुरू हुआ, आउटफिट डिसाइड हुआ, हम लोग गए सेट के अंदर. फिर हम लोग जजेस से मिले. जजेस इतने स्वीट थे, वहाँ की टीम इतनी स्वीट थी, क्रू मेंबर्स, माइक वाले, कॉस्ट्यूम, मेकअप, मैनेजर्स, एवरीबडी ऑसम. नाउ व्हेन द शूट स्टार्टेड, आई वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन जिसको उस रूम में जाना था, वेयर यू मीट द जजेस, एंड माय फर्स्ट टास्क वाज अ वीडियो दैट आई मेड एज अ पिच फॉर माई सेल्फ टू द जजेस. उस वीडियो की वजह से आई कुड गेट इन. वो वीडियो मेरे Instagram पे posted है, so make sure you check that out. I was the first contestant to go in the room जहाँ पे वो रूम वीडियो चलनी थी, और मेरा verdict आना था जजेस से, और ये सब कुछ होना था. और मेरी वीडियो उन लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई. मेरा इंटरव्यू कम से कम गाइस 50 मिनट्स चला, लॉन्गेस्ट आउट ऑफ एवरीवन. बहुत क्वेश्चंस पूछे, बट जजेस बहुत स्वीट थे. उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे एक टास्क दिया. सो आई वाज द ओनली पर्सन जिसको एक टास्क मिला. 2 मिनट में मुझे जाना है, एक आउटफिट स्टाइल करना है अपने ऊपर. मैं एक डेट पे जा रही हूँ, वैसा आउटफिट. हमारे पास एक रैक था, H&M के सारे कपड़े थे जिसमें से मुझे चूज करना था. आई रैन, पिक्ड अप क्लोथ्स, में चेंज करके आई. दिस वाज द आउटफिट विच आई सिलेक्टेड फॉर लाइक अ डेट. जो भी ऑप्शन थे वहाँ क्लोथ में, मुझे लगा कि आई शुड चूज दिस, एंड दे लव्ड इट, एंड आई डिड इट इन लिटरली 5 मिनट्स गाइस. मतलब मैं भी भाग रही थी, मेरे साथ कैमरामैन भी भाग रहा था, मैं डिसाइड कर रही थी, फिर वापस आते हुए भी मेरे साथ कैमरामैन भाग के आ रहा है. सो इट वाज लाइक अ रियली नाइस टाइम that I enjoyed thoroughly. After everything, I was told by the judges that आपको BRB में रखा गया है. BRB is a Be Right Back zone that they will tell the verdict later. This was all about my journey to be a part of the show which is airing on MTV. To just be associated with these huge names, I'm more than grateful and more than thankful. Even if I couldn't continue in the show, I'm just happy with the way everything turned out, and with my experience and all the bittersweet memories that I could get from this experience. I think that's about it. Let me know in the comments if you want another video where I can tell you how you can get in shows like these. Thank you for all the love and your support, because that is always needed. That is what made me achieve what all I could in the age of 20. So thank you guys. I'm always forever grateful to you all. Please follow me on Instagram, guys, for daily updates. I post everything on my stories and on my posts every single day there. So don't forget to catch me up on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was lovely sharing my experience with you. If you want to know more, ask me questions in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Please hit like, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, do all good things for me, guys, and I love you so much. Bye.